Let's not make the same mistake twice. Oh, fuck. What's up, goats?
God damn, that's a big ass turd, bro. That's like a human shit, dude. There ain't no way that came out of one of them fucking goats. That's more like it.
What's up, goats? Are they chill goats or are they like mountain goats?
They're chill goats.
Okay. There's a lot of poop around here. Oh my. There is not a lot of room back here. Where are we trying to get the truck to dump it at?
Back there by those pallets.
All right, so this is dried up though.
Yeah, quite a bit.
But you're sunk. You really.
The only thing is, look at this side. I'm bottomed out.
No, I know.
My hydraulic tank on that fucking. And I forgot to take my strap off, pulling on the box, and broke that.
Oh, you want to get the shovel and we'll shovel that out real quick?
Yeah,
We can. We'll rig.
Cake through my fucking rims and shit.
We'll rig through there, and that way when I pull on you, it'll give you some lift too.
Rig through those hooks.
Yeah, but double up on it and also rig up to anything else we can. God damn, this is actually a little bit worse than I thought it was gonna be. Well, actually, hey, check this out, bro. So this is just the.
Just that lip.
Yeah, but your real tank's at this high.
Yeah, it'll just slide right through that shit. But you think we should dig it out some?
Yeah, it wouldn't hurt. Let's just get the. I guess let's figure out, get the truck in position real quick. Problem, you just went a little too out the way. You just went a little bit off the beaten path.
Well, the thing was, I turned, but you know, it's got shitty turning radius. I couldn't make this turn sharp.
Yeah.
So I went that way and started to slip. So I tried to come back this way, and that's when it just slipped off over there more.
All right. Well, they left us some extra shit too. You're right. Okay. Well, I guess I'll just pull up and I'm gonna position. And we'll pull.
I'd say just come in at an angle, like.
I'm gonna pull from like right here, so that way it'll give it some lift and it'll pull it.
Kind of to the side.
Yeah, get it off that fucking.
Of course, Amigo had to put their gay ass mud flaps on my truck.
I got spray paint. Oh, fuck.
Fucking goats have been eating good, buddy.
All right, here we go. Let's get 2 trucks stuck.
Hell no, brother. I forget I got this over here. Oh, fuck. Oh, that's your shit. I got mine over here.
Any day now, we're going. Yeah, this is not an easy one.
Yeah, like it's such a tight squeeze between those trees. I have no room to turn.
I see that.
I was trying not to fucking take a tree out at the same time as I was trying to. You sent through a little too hard, bud.
A little too hard. That fucking low gear.
You sent through a little. Just enough fucking room to work. I'm gonna get out and watch the ground.
Ah, we're good. I walked it all. It seems hard enough. Hey, what's that tail swing? Oh,
You're good. You're clear, yeah.
Worst part is I'm going to back out of here.
Yeah. Unless you can back onto here. I don't know if that's.
I'm backing out. Or I'm gonna.
Or I can just guide you like Austin Powers, just drills 20 fucking turns back and forth.
Come on, get in gear, baby. That's second low. So I'm thinking something like. Hold on, let me back up. Yeah, I think that'll work. maybe I can make like 10 bucks off this because people love videos of stuff getting unstuck. Just gonna suck having to sift through fucking an hour of footage.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's gotta be the part that sucks.
Yeah, it's annoying, but I've done it before. It's not too bad. Have a couple beers. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need a little bit of beer money for today too. But well, if we get it out, if we don't get it out, save your money for the wrecker.
Shit,
I know we're gonna do it.
Get Houston area off-road recovery out here.
Oh, dude, them guys will have a blast trying to see who's the biggest man. This is the shovel you brought?
It's the only one I had. Sharpshooter, bro.
Sharpshooter.
That's what they call them. Should I go? I don't think I can go down through that.
Don't rig it up yet. Let's dig it out first. Don't be a snake. Fucking get in the back of this dumpster. Ah, this bitch don't roll, does it? No, because it's fucking not greased. God. Oh. Yeah, I don't think really, this ain't even too bad to dig it out, really. Is that what those shovels are called? A sharpshooter?
Yeah.
Never heard that one.
Bullshit's in my way.
You want, I got this bad boy. Here, you want? I guess I should have brought work boots.
You got some in the truck.
Oh, that's no fun.
Damn, I don't remember the last time I used a shovel besides picking up dog shit.
Man, I'm not very good with the shovel. I'm not gonna lie to anybody. I'm a pussy. Oh, what the hell is a fucking... Oh, goddamn. Well, I hit a stump, so I don't know how much better it's gonna get.
Man, it might pull it right through that shit. Once the tires get out of that hole, it's gonna raise it up, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, like I said, I don't think it's gonna be terrible because that's just a...
That lip.
Yeah. And I already hit fucking roots and shit, so I don't think we're gonna be able to really get much better, honestly. I mean, like I said, it could be as easy as fucking... Could be. Whose idea were the shingles?
Fucking Mexicans.
Oh.
Go figure it once you live here.
Yeah. No, that ain't. Ain't.
Do shit.
Like that ain't gonna do nothing. And digging some of that, if we could dig some of this out and make it like an even thing, but just get that. That's, you know, if we can get that out, that's really chalking the wheel. Yeah, I'm starting to pull the mud flap out. Oh, bitch, wedged in there. Alright. I don't know how much digging we're gonna do. I'll start fucking with the rigging, I guess. Rated for 100,000 pounds?
That's what Shane says.
Maybe we could just use that, but at the same time,
We're gonna have to use a chain to shackle it.
yeah, to one end or the other. All right, we'll because you got 2 points there. Let's throw this one through the roller. I'm guessing just fucking.
Alright, back up close enough to just use a strap, huh?
Yeah, but then we still have to.
We use the short chain.
I need like 4.
Oh, one of them was shorter.
Grab like, get them all so we can double up on that shit. Get in there. I haven't used one of these in a while. Yeah.
Really, I think we should completely double it up. You know what I mean? Back up closer and then run this bolt, like loop it over there. Run bolt.
I was kind of thinking about that, but then we're going to be so damn close.
Yeah, true.
Well, like I said, the first go, we're not gonna, I don't want
to have a rating thing on it.
Well, it says for 100,000, but it's got a little tear in it. But
I know there's different ways to vertical, choker, basket. Ain't no fucking 100,000.
I think maybe you could make it up to 100,000.
Oh yeah, if you double it, right?
Well, this thing is,
if anything, we could double it and then double a chain from the rest of the strap to there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So just run this back. We'll just run this back and then we'll just double up the chain.
And then, so, yeah, pull that all the way off and then put it through. Yeah. I haven't done that in a while. Wasn't there more chains in that? Oh, yeah, there's one right there. Alright, so we're gonna need to at least, okay. This will go through here.
Short, huh?
Yeah, I'll just have to back up a little bit. Just fucking twist it up, make it a little stronger.
I didn't know they had a fucking goddamn backhoe over here. I didn't notice that the other day. That motherfucker probably would have helped a little bit.
Yeah, definitely would have helped a little bit. Alright, let me just now. Oh shit, goddamn tree stump. Just fist me when you want me to stop.
Huh?
Give me a fist. Fist me when you want me to stop. Give me a. Nice fist. So yeah, that chain into there, and then do the other chain to the other one, like so. I'm thinking pulling off of that would give it a little bit of lift at least. Yeah.
You gonna put 2 chains in here?
On each one, yeah. Let's do 2 chains.
2 chains to the strap.
Yeah. Alright. At least we got covering at least. Even right here, we only got like 12,000 pounds of rigging to that. Try and get it as even as possible.
I guess I'm gonna start it up and let it build pressure real quick.
Yeah, start up and let it build pressure. And I guess the second your front passes that that tree, start cutting to your right.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
And then I tell you what, there's more chains, so I'm gonna add them. Oh, I got a foundry hook. Nice. What?
All these batteries motherfuckers dead.
Okay.
I brought that fucking jump box. Hopefully it's charging up.
Well, we're your battery's on your left side, mine are on my left side. If I get right next to you, they might reach.
I don't know if this thing is good enough.
I doubt it. And we can't use the backhoe because those batteries can't jump backhoe to whatever. At least that's what someone told me once. I'm gonna get the jumper cable, see how long they are. You try it. I mean, if it uses it. What the fuck? Yeah, you should have.
Oh, there's another battery box over here.
Yeah, but oh, that okay. Well, then, I can reach it easy then. Should have another one there. Should have at least 4 batteries on this truck.
This one's only got 1, 2. What the fuck? I thought it was supposed to have.
Your headlights are on.
Yeah, I know. It's because I turned the power switch on.
Oh.
I don't think it matters which one I hooked to, huh?
No. As long as it's red to red, black to black, it don't matter. Woo! Figure out, I guess I'm gonna back out of here to get out of here. Turn around up in the front. Or let's see what it's like over here. If I could cut it in there. Ah, that's too much bullshit going on. Welcome to the shit show, brother. Shit. All right, it started. All right. Tell you what. Let's see. The fuck is this? This is a good chain and somebody broke it. They tie a knot in it? See, I don't know. I don't know that's gonna be enough. I don't want to go overkill, but this is gonna be tough. So this one needs to.
Oh, praise the Goliath start, brother.
That's pretty good, actually. That'll work. Your air built up?
Surprised that little box did that.
Let's just slide, don't worry about it. Yeah, you could do that, I guess. Alright.
Should I put my divider lock on? Interlock divider or whatever?
Yeah, just put it in low reverse though and just ease off of it. You got your phone?
Yeah.
Alright, call me on speakerphone. Alright, let me get her started. I'm ready when you are. You ready?
Hold on. Yep, no.
Alright, I'm gonna put on my divider. Alright. You got it in low range?
Yep, just make sure to pull the slack out first.
Oh, I know. And alright, we're pretty much tight. You ready? Hold on. All right, and go. Now we're gonna tear something up.
Let me make sure I'm in low range. Alright, go ahead.
It's almost going, dude. I might have to try to give it an old tug, dude. I don't want to do that, but. I know, I'm just gonna give it a little. Yeah, I know, we can't get over that. We might have to dig that out, actually. All right, you ready? I'm gonna start rolling. Look, we almost got it. Hold on. Take some slack out. All right, hold on. All right, hold on. All right. There we go, baby. Come on. Keep going. Nice and low, nice and slow.
Alright, hold on, let me back.
Come back.
Let's go ahead and unrig so I can try to move over a little bit.
Alright. Hold on, let's just get out and look. Hold on, I won't be next to that, it's so tight. Busted ass chains. You're probably gonna need me to still pull you.
Huh?
I don't know if your wheel's gonna be able to cut over that, but you can try and hit a hard right.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to clear this fucking tree.
Yeah, so just hold the right.
Anything,
tell me when to stop.
Sharp, and if I need you to back up,
that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
And then I'll just kind of veer.
Yeah, that's what we'll do.
You think you can get out of the way right here? Like, can you get over far left?
Yeah. We'll figure that out afterwards. Let's just get this the fuck out this hole. All right. can come back on your own power now that you're out of it.
Yeah, I can.
Alright, just keep it coming. I'll just move. Whoops. Keep coming back. As far as you can. Oh, stop. We're gonna have to unrig the chains. Pull forward a little. Yeah, pull forward to your right. Pull forward to your right just a little. Just a little. A little more. Alright, set the brakes. Alright. Hey, you started running over the chain. It just started running over the fucking chain, so I was like, oh shit. Might have to pull forward a little more to get off this. I don't know. Let me see if I can get it undone.
Damn, bro, I must have a serious hole in that fucking tire.
Probably.
Yeah, now I could just pull out to the right and just scoot over maybe, and then if you want to get backed out first.
Yeah, let's do that. I guess just unhook from there. Hold on. Let me see what the fuck is going to what. Oh, there we go. Fucking twisted fucking mess of chains. Yeah, it worked.
Hallelujah.
Barely, dude. If I'd had some more weight, it would have probably been a little bit easier, but
This one under the tire, huh?
I don't know which one's under the tire at this point. But I think this one's not, so just got it fucking untwisted, motherfucker.
Yep, that was better than I was expecting.
Well, I mean, I grew up around fucking heavy wrestlers. I got an idea of what I'm doing. Not a great idea, to be honest, but nobody got killed, so.
Should I pull forward or come back? I guess I can pull forward to the right. Let me just move it.
Yeah, I would just, yeah. I think we should be. Yeah, I would,
Pull forward to the right.
yeah, hard right. Hold that hard right, yeah. There we go, baby. God damn, you ripped your dumpster straps too, Tony. Hey, the chain. Better set them brakes, baby. All right, dude. Well, we're out the fucking.
Straight out the mud.
All right, now I gotta. Well, I don't want to get another truck stuck, but
That's what I was gonna say. I could pull out and pull over to the side, and then you could just back out past me.
I tell you what,
Or
yeah.
Actually, you can back right here. If you hug this tree. Right here and then.
Yeah, I could Austin Powers it right there, but look at all that shit. I don't know about all that.
It's dry now, though.
Yeah, but if the fucking truck goes in the hole,
That's what I'm saying. Don't get your back tires like further past here.
I can try and guide it.
This way.
Either way, I'll figure it out. Yeah, just pull up over there and just stay on the road, and I'll go around in the grass since you're all heavy and shit. Let me see if there's a better option though. Well, this is a tough one. There's a lot of fucking trees, but I think that it's a tough one. Hard to tell what I'm even aiming for. You know what? That might be my best bet, actually. Well, you know what? It's a tough one. I ain't loaded down near as bad as he is. Let's see. Oh hell, I done forgot where I was backing up into. Where am I going? Hug that. Hug that. Alright, come on. Come on. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Alright. Let's start spinning around this tree. Powers it. I got that tree right there. Alright, we're out this motherfucker. How the dumpster bros do it, man. Oh, watch all that bullshit right there. Motherfucker. We ain't gotta use the winch or nothing. Alright, let's make sure he can get this shit fucking dumped. I think I might need a little bit of nicotine today. This recovery is brought to you by Camel, brother. I'll go ahead and get my gloves just in case. Where'd I throw them fuckers at? Goddamn trash truck. If you know me, you know this really ain't my cup of tea, but anything for a friend. Oh shit, I almost stepped in that dirt. What you thinking? You got this?
Huh?
You got this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Well, just kind of guide me.
Yeah, now call me. I mean, that really ain't the easiest back in the world. A bunch of fucking trees. Like, you think you know where you're going, and then you're like, which tree was I fucking aiming for? You're gonna open it right now?
Yeah.
You're gonna dump it right here?
Nah, I'm gonna dump it over there.
Don't open it yet.
Why?
Because what the fuck?
I ain't gotta do it over there.
Put that lock up before that door opens, and you get fucking. We have to press the truck up against it.
Right.
God damn it, Tony. There we go. Strong man. Hey, you need me to pull forward more?
Nah, you're good.
You sure?
Yeah, I just want to straighten out a little bit.
No, I feel you. I'm just saying it's a little, you got a lot of weight on there and that motherfucker leaning a little bit. All right, you good. You making it. Two-turn Tony. Yeah, you're looking good. Try and aim that truck towards that right side of that. Get closer on. Turn to your right. Send that truck to the right a little.
Other way?
Nah, keep going. Where you're coming. Slight left. Hold straight. Straight, 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 straight. Hold it straight. Just hold it straight. Just hold it straight. Hard right. Start hard right. There you go. Just watch it. Watch that left side of your nose. I didn't think that truck would turn that good. Just watch that nose. All right, to clear those trees, hold a hard right. Put that bitch, you got that bitch in low? Can you pull forward to your left at all? Even if it's a couple feet. There you go. All right, hard right. Hold it, keep going, or you know what, do that, it don't matter either way. God damn, those tires, man, you're loaded down. I see why you got stuck. I see why you got stuck. This motherfucker heavy. All right, yeah, you looking good. Yeah, you ain't got, I don't think you got nothing on your right. Yeah, you're good. Do what? Hey, rednecks love to be a hero, dude. Everybody want to pull shit out the mud and they don't fucking know what the hell they're doing, dude. So you gonna call him?
Yeah, I'm looking to see if you want to dump it right on top of those fucking pallets or what. Fucking loose from off road forever. Look at that shit. Spurted the fucking mud duty right through the wind. Damn, bro, that should have caked over my air valve.
It'll come off while you go down the road a little bit. There ain't no one around here, so it shouldn't be too big of a deal. Damn, did you rip your dumpster strap?
Yeah, bro, I forgot it was on when I let the dumpster slide back. I was like, fuck.
I've done that a bunch of times. The ones I did last time, though, they really were fucking asshole pushed me with the dozer and fucking.
I'd be so pissed if I was them.
Oh. Wait, where are they shooting at?
At that. But the fucking house is right there.
Oh, no, I'd be like on their ass about that, dude. There's living in the country and there's being a jackass. That's just fucked up.
And there's property back there too.
Yeah, that ain't. I could really use this quick creep, man, for my skate park, but I guess it's all rocked
about
up.
To be covered in fucking,
yep.
Yeah, they're wet.
It's rocked up, baby. Shit, I don't know. I'm guessing they wanted to shoot at, huh?
Yeah, they're gonna build a backstop right here.
Well, they got a backhoe, don't they?
I don't think that's theirs. I think it's utility.
Oh. I don't know. I mean, either way, the way that dirt's probably sticky from a little bit of moisture that's been getting in it, so probably gonna have to
shake her out a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be all over the fucking place.
Get me as far back as you can, so I can.
All right, let's just go ahead and open the door here then. I think we'll be fine to open it here. It ain't all gonna fall out. I'll tell you what, come back as far as you physically can till we have to open the door. Actually, I'll fist you when you need to stop. Put on my fisting gloves. Tony? What'd you hit? Did you hit something? Woo, that bitch heavy is leaning. Damn. Well, that's why you're over. This is why you got stuck. Jesus fuck. God, it's mainly rocks. Damn, this door's a bitch. Hey Tony, get your big muscles over here. This door's hard to open.
What?
This door's hard to fucking open.
Oh, I know, it needs grease. It's never been greased before.
So get your big muscles over here. All right. You want to be closer? Or?
Yeah, I'll go all the way back.
All right. Shit, just... God damn, that bitch is heavy. It don't even want to take it. It's doing it. Holy shit. It's all rock. That's 50% rock, 50% dirt. Oh. Heavy bitch. Just hold. Let gravity work, god damn it. Or do that. What the hell you... Oh, ground's uneven, buddy. Raise that fucker up. Let gravity do some work on this shit. Stuck to it. There it goes. Whoa. All right, never mind. You good. You good. Just watch that fucking tree. That's all she wrote, baby. God damn, bro. She clean. All of it. Bro, you should have put this much in there.
Yeah, I didn't realize it was this much, bro. I took an extra like 4 scoops on that last load across the street.
God damn, dude, going this far.
Bro, my motherfucking truck wouldn't even get up to speed, bro.
Yeah, I bet.
Shit's wet as fuck too, and there's a lot of rock.
Bro, I don't even... So what, when we pulled that fucker out, we probably just pulled out at least 70,000 pounds, dude.
Yeah, I mean, this is probably at least 30 by itself. The truck empty weighs 32.
No, this is more than 30. I'd say this is at least 40,000 pounds of dirt with the rocks and the wetness. Good shit, dude.